bird.
Big cow.
That's a bald eagle in the back. See the bald eagle in the back? It's got a white head.
Yes. That's an eagle, right?
Yeah, that's an eagle. This one's an eagle.
This one eagle too?
Big difference.
The two right here are eagles.
Yeah.
Oh, really? I thought like only...
This one's a falcon. Look at that beautiful bird. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's a falcon. So beautiful.
Really? So the eagle different color, huh?
They have different kinds.
Beautiful. Oh, okay. I see the word now.
Yeah.
Bald eagle, white-tailed eagle. Ooh. Bald owl.
Bald eagle is found in North America, white-tailed eagle in Europe and Asia. So,
Cannot see that way. How can be beautiful? I really cannot see his face either. Yeah.
It's trying to fly to me.
Oh, you try to fly.
with them, they are either fourth and fifth or fourth and fifth.
They're not like that, right?
Like they should make a big
They're not
cage
like
and then let them fly around.
They just like free.
White-tailed eagle, bald eagle, they are they evolved from hunting. Golden eagles are one of the more beautiful land. So they hunt large animals, mountain goats, and stuff like that. Yes, it's my pleasure. Any other questions, you let me know, and then I can be.
That's why I want.
Take picture, right?
What's her name? Her name is Frost. Hi, Frost.
Snowy owl.
Snowy owl.
What kind of owl?
Those eyes.
Hi, sir. He's very handsome.
He's gonna squirt water on him.